Imagine a mansion with hidden tunnels, a dead legend's voice rising from the grave, and tapes that could bring down a music empire. P. Diddy, once the king of hip-hop parties, is now at the center of one of the most shocking scandals in entertainment history. From disturbing courtroom revelations to high-profile accusations, this story has everything: power, betrayal, and secrets that may finally be unraveling. Stay until the end, because this rabbit hole runs deeper than anyone thought. Subscribe for more Diddy news. The federal case. Federal prosecutors have hit Sean Diddy Combs with 5 major charges: racketeering, trafficking, and transportation for unlawful activity. According to the indictment, Diddy allegedly ran a network that spanned 2 decades, from 2004 to 2024. This wasn't just a one-man operation. His team, including employees and close associates, is accused of helping organize private gatherings that prosecutors say involved manipulation and threats to silence people. The government claims over 100 digital devices were seized from Diddy's homes during coordinated raids in March 2024. More than 50 people were interviewed. The trial, expected to last 8 weeks, began jury selection in May 2025. Freak parties and secret tunnels. What really went down in those infamous parties? Prosecutors described them as freak-off events, elaborate, secretive gatherings held at Diddy's lavish mansions, where security was tight and access was controlled. Allegedly, these were more than just parties. They were part of a larger pattern of behavior now under federal scrutiny. Sources close to the investigation leaked that tunnels exist beneath one of Diddy's Los Angeles properties. While officially labeled as emergency exits, some believe these underground passages were used to usher in guests discreetly, or worse, to hide certain activities from prying eyes. As the case unfolds, authorities are investigating how these tunnels were used and what secrets they might contain. Cassie's story. In November 2023, singer Cassie Ventura filed a lawsuit that sent shockwaves through the industry. She accused Diddy of years of emotional manipulation and physical harm. Though the case was settled just 1 day later, the public backlash had begun. In early 2024, footage from a hotel in 2016 leaked, showing Diddy in a violent confrontation with Cassie. The video sparked outrage. Diddy issued an apology, calling the incident disgusting, but by then it was too late. Even more shocking, Cassie reportedly appeared in court visibly pregnant, a powerful and symbolic moment in a case about control, trauma, and survival. The secret tape and the dead legend. In January 2025, a strange twist emerged. A sealed letter and an old recording surfaced, allegedly from a music legend who died years ago. While their name hasn't been officially confirmed, insiders believe the figure was someone who had close ties to Bad Boy Records and had grown distant from Diddy in their final years. The tape reportedly contains conversations and first-hand accounts suggesting Diddy's involvement in darker aspects of the industry. It's not part of the current court evidence yet, but it's making waves online, with many speculating its release could change everything. Diddy responded by filing a $50 million defamation lawsuit in January 2025 against Courtney Burgess, who claimed to have multiple recordings linking him to illegal activity. Diddy called it all malicious lies, but the internet isn't so sure. The viral celebrity lists. You've probably seen them online, the so-called Diddy lists going viral on social media. People are comparing them to the Epstein flight logs, claiming dozens of celebrities are somehow connected to the case. But here's the truth. Most of those lists are pure speculation. Unlike the Epstein case, Diddy's trial has not officially named most of these celebrities in court proceedings. Some names were simply on potential juror questionnaires, others are witnesses, and a few are mentioned in civil suits, not criminal ones. Still, when names like Justin Bieber, 50 Cent, and Usher float around, the internet pays attention. 50 Cent, Bieber, and more speak out. Rapper 50 Cent has been one of Diddy's most vocal critics. He's mocked Diddy on social media, hinted at knowing more than he can say, and even shared cryptic posts right after court documents were unsealed. Justin Bieber's name was mentioned in an unrelated defamation claim, but no official court record ties him to wrongdoing. Still, fans are demanding answers and transparency. Other celebrities, once close to Diddy, have gone silent or distanced themselves. Some believe they're protecting their own images. Others may be cooperating with investigators. In the court of public opinion, silence can speak volumes. More lawsuits, more pressure. As of April 2025, over 63 civil lawsuits have been filed against Diddy, and the number keeps rising. Some are from former employees, others from individuals who claim to have witnessed or experienced wrongdoing over the last 3 decades. 10 of these lawsuits were filed just before the February deadline under New York's Gender-Motivated Violence Act. This law allowed older claims to be brought forward, even if the alleged events happened years ago. Lawyers involved say more claims are coming. Some believe former associates, once loyal to Diddy, are now cooperating with investigators. The pressure is mounting from all sides: civil, federal, and public opinion. Impact on the industry. This isn't just a scandal, it's a reckoning. The music industry has long protected its biggest stars, but this case is breaking that illusion. Artists, execs, and fans are starting to ask harder questions about what gets ignored in exchange for fame and money. Industry insiders say labels are quietly reviewing contracts, separating from certain figures, and bracing for more lawsuits. This is just the beginning. As the trial moves forward, we'll likely see more witnesses, more evidence, and possibly more names. If Diddy is found guilty, it could mean life in prison. But even if not, his public image may never recover. This case has already shifted conversations around power, justice, and accountability in music. And if that secret tape is real, if more recordings exist, this story could go far beyond Diddy. Subscribe for more Diddy news.